that site. Aprilia RSV4 and the R1. What's up, everybody? It's me, Eric B, and we are at Cycle Gear. Meeting up with the gang. We're about to ride out, hit this airport. Apparently there's a loop around there that we can go around, so this will be fun. What year is yours?
It's a newer one.
What year is this one? 19. Yeah, I like the way the color on them.
No, not feeling it. It really comes down to the rider, man. It really comes down to the rider.
Yours has a quick shifter on it, right? Yeah. Damn, I need to get one put on mine, man.
What?
Make it so much easier.
You said you wanted to run Justice? Okay.
Wait, what?
You guys wanted to run each other on the straight? Okay.
Thought there was another silver ninja. Did he leave? Oh, okay.
The guy that was on the same bike.
They both just fucking got done.
I don't think this bike's been past 14,000 RPM.
So you guys said you wanted to run him, right? Oh, Eric!
Whatever.
Do it! More videos!
You stay instigating, don't you?
Roll to that pole and then send it.
Say what?
30 roll, not this light pole, but the next one.
That one right there?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on?
Hey, listen, we get a call. Y'all out here racing at high rates of speed.
Well, we were just parked over there at the terminal.
Okay.
I don't know if anybody else was out here. I mean, we did a lap. I don't know. Yeah.
We just got a call. Motorcycles out here going high rates of speed around the airport.
Ah.
Somebody just called in and said motorcycles just going high rates of speed.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, we'll get out of here.
I ain't telling you got to leave. I
Okay.
want to check, make sure y'all just so I'm talk with them too.
Okay. Thank you.
Out of the
Yeah, understandable.
They were just concerned, so
It's understandable.
I'd hate to have to call highway patrol for a fatality.
No, sir. We don't want you to have to do that either. Enjoy the rest of your
Y'all
day.
take care. Hey,
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir.
weather.
Yeah.
Yeah. Finally.
But y'all take care. Y'all be safe.
Yes, sir.
all
You
right?
All right.
man, enjoy the rest of your
Yes,
day.
sir.
What are we doing now?
Guess we're gonna head out.
All right.
Yep. And I knew that one of y'all went. I started turning around. I was like, no, I ain't gonna leave.
Yeah, I knew you guys were lining up. Me and him saw him, and he pulled around, and I was like, "Yep, he's flipping around." I was like, "Let me go ahead and just go slow." He went. Yep, he busted a quick Huey.
He has to call the cops. I just got it like, I don't know, 4 months ago.
Dude, what happened?
Fucking silver Camry came into his lane.
Oh shit!
I'm coming around the corner, and the Camry came out lane, and I was like, I don't know what to do.
You can ride this back. I'm just kidding. Man, does that suck? Full day of riding, and right at the end, you wreck your bike. Like, he was literally right behind me. I saw him on my rear view. We pull into the gas station, you know, we all figured, hey, he must have just peeled off to go home. And then someone, I didn't have my camera on, but someone came up and was like, hey, your buddy's down. So then we all hopped on the bikes and rode back. And there he was. The rest of the guys are hanging back. Someone's coming back with a truck right now. And yeah, what a way to end the day. Just goes to show, it can happen to anybody at any time.